Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be telling you secrets that no one tells you to make Instagram algorithm love you. And the biggest problem of Instagram, as you may know, is that Instagram only sends your content to about 7 to 10% of your followers. So if you have 100 followers when you post something, Instagram is gonna deliver that for only about 10 people of your followers. And what happened with the rest of the 90 people? They're not gonna receive your content only if you sponsor your post or if your post to be promoted by Instagram. And the question that is worth gold is how to make Instagram boost me. So the number one tip here, that it's a super secret, is that Instagram delivers photos and videos that have more image quality. And here I'm meaning about photo resolution. So to help you, use filters and Photoshops. If you don't have this, use the filters that Instagram already gives you. Use the programs such as Canva to make your posts be more beautiful. Shocked is the secret, so already leave your like. So the second secret is to diversify the means of use, because the more tools you use within the same platform, more delivery your content is gonna get from your network of people. So if you use more stories, if you do feed, IGTV, or if you use the stickers from the stories of Instagram is gonna understand that you are using their feature. It's gonna deliver you more for that base of people you already have. So instead of being delivered of 10 people, maybe 20, maybe 30, maybe 40, and this is gonna growing. And for this to keep growing, the second secret is to be relevant. And what does this mean? The more relationship you have with your followers, the more your content is gonna be delivered for them. And if you didn't watch my last video that I share with you 3 tips to grow faster in Instagram, I'm gonna let it up here in the card so you can watch it later. The fourth secret is to keep your account up to date, because always having new movements in your account, like posts, stories, or videos, it makes the Instagram algorithms understand that you are actually using that platform and actually delivering content constantly to your followers. So Instagram is gonna want to deliver your post to your followers, because they know that the next week, for example, or next day, you're gonna post again and your followers gonna get in the platform to watch you again. And if there is no update, Instagram is gonna take you down. So watch out. Don't forget to share this video with your friends that is also needing a help with Instagram, and subscribe to my channel to receive more social media, digital marketing, and sales tips for small business. See you next time.